Morning. Welcome back to Cg4all programming sections. Agenda of the today is Java interview programming sections. So we will see that today one program. So before that, we have to know what were the prerequisite to understand the basic agenda of the program. So before starting the program, who is following us pin by pin, point by point? First, you have to understand these three chapters. So link is also provided here. You are able to see in the screen. So else you can, I will show you to how to navigate there. So go to cg4all.com, cg4all.com. Inside the cg4all.com library sections, go to Java, backbone of Java. These three sections you have to click and you have to go through that before starting the Java programming sections. So hope that is clear. Let's go to the today agenda. So agenda is first we have to find out today we are going to learn how to write a program to check a given number is prime number or not. So first we have to understand what is the prime number. Prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. Meaning suppose we are considering 12. So 12 means we have to check. So how many factors of 12? So we can find 1 is 1 is divided by 1, no problem. But it divided by 2, meaning it's not a prime number. So prime, any number is a prime number, it's have only two factor, 1 and itself. So same thing we have to write a program. So let us, before writing the program, let's understand how to start that. Let us consider we are taking any number, and that number should, how to find the number have divided by only two number. So we have to find a factor. So suppose we are taking the 12. Let us example 12. So factors means not more than its half of the number, means any number have the factor must should be less than or equal to his half. Okay, so like 6. It's like suppose we are 23 is a number. 23 have only two division factor, 1 and 23. So it's a prime number. But if we are considering by 2, means let us consider 11 is an integer number. So 11, if the number is not divided by 1 and till half of the number, then it's a prime number. So what we have to do, we have to we need a loop, or we need to transverse the number from 2, not because 1 no need to check, from 2 to half of the number. If any divisible is there, then it's not a prime number. If no divisible is there, it's a prime number. Clear? Let's understand the program, how to write it now. So I have already written, I let me explain the program. So any program we have to write it, first we have to define the package, predefined packages. Okay, which package we are taking is the topmost package, topmost of that any class. After that, what are the predefined Java library function we are using, Java library packages, class, predefined functions we are using, that we have to write it. After that we have a class, main method is there. So inside the main method, what I am trying to take, we are trying to take the input from the command prompt. So I am taking the, please enter the, check the number prime number or not. So we are taking the number, and when we're taking any number or anything from the command prompt, it should be considered as a string. And after that I'm changing this string to integer number. So once we check this integer number, so then we have to write, I have written the same logic. What I have to written, from 2 to number of half, if modulus operator means we are checking that if divisible by 0, remainder must should be 0. If remainder is 0, then you have one factor. Is factor means it's not a prime number. It's not a prime number means that time itself we have to break these things. Already be understood in our control statements. If no, if you have any doubt on the break, go and refer the sections. So break, if the break, then it should be true. It true means is not a prime number. Let's run the program and check is working or not. Enter the number 23. 23 is a prime number. Okay. So what the logic we are writing? We are taking one variable. This variable by default we checking. We have the default we are checking as a false. Means the number is not a prime number. Or is a number have a prime number default. So after that, so when having any factor is there, any factor, okay, so any factor is there, then Let us consider, by default I am considering is a prime number. Let us consider making as a true, right? If not, here we have to make as a false. Okay, false. False, right? But then it should be like this. Okay, means default I am taking as a prime number. If any factor is have, it should be false, means not a prime number. Okay, if have any not a factor, so let's run the program again. Let us consider 23. 23 is a prime number, clear. Now 24 is not a prime number, clear. So hope the programming is clear. Let's enjoy the sections. If any doubt, anything is there, please get back to us. Thanks for the watching video. And if you are looking for anything or any feedback, please provide drop a mail, or we have to provide in the feedback section or comment section of the YouTube. Thank you, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.